Welcome to the order management process on Unicommerce. This is the Unicommerce dashboard that you get once you log into the Unicommerce platform. Here is the orders tab. When you click on orders, this opens the orders page. Here all the orders that you've received is listed. To select orders for Ajio, click on the channel and select Ajio and apply. Once you do that, you can see all the orders that have been received from the Ajio channel. Let's select one of the orders and see what happens. So here, as you see, under the order, there are two order items that need to be processed. Under the shipments, you see the status as shipments created. The shipment status is created. Once this is there, you go to the fulfillment page. On the fulfillment page, click on pick list. Here you have to click on create manual to create pick list for the order that you want to process. Here again you click on the filter and choose Ajio and apply. So here you see there are two orders which you have to process for the Ajio channel. Select one of the orders. As you see, the moment you select an order, an actions tab is enabled here. Click on this and click on create pick list. So now a pick list is generated. Right now from your warehouse you pick up the items and then click on receive pick list. Once you click on receive pick list, the successful message is shown here and a scanner is available here. What you have to do is you have to scan each and every item to add it into a box. Okay, so for the benefit of this video, I will enter this SKU manually and click on enter. When I do that, if you see, out of the 10, 1 is scanned. That is what it shows, right? So I have to do this for all the items, and as you see, as I enter, as I scan, the number increases here and the tick mark is applied in front of those items. If you have a handheld scanner, you can scan the items and you can do the same for that. Now suppose that in one carton box, in a physical carton box, only 5 items can be put. So in that case, after adding the 5 items, I need to close the box. So in that case, you can click on close and assign new box. When you do that, this pop-up opens. Here you see, you just have to check that under the shipping package type, the package chosen should be Ajio. And you don't have to enter the seal numbers anymore. The seal numbers will be provided by the platform itself. You don't have to enter the seal numbers anymore. Once you've checked this, click on submit. The moment you click on submit, you get an option to print the packing slip. This is how the packing slip will look. You can download the same from here, or you can directly print it from here and keep it for that particular box. Let's go back and see what happens to the remaining 5 items. So as you see, the remaining can be added to the new box. So now there are 5 items in box 1 and box 2 was open, and now 1 item is added to box 2. You finish scanning all the items, and once you do that, again automatically the seal ID to box pop-up opens. Again, you only have to check that the package type should be Ajio. You don't have to enter the seal ID anymore, and you click on submit. Again, the packing slip for that particular box is generated like this. You can download or print it from here. Once you've done that, you have to click on close pick list, and a success message of pick list closed comes here. Now if you see under the shipments tab, the status changes to ready to ship, right? Now let's go back to the orders tab and check few details for that particular order. So let's see, this is the order that we had processed. Let's see what is happened here. So as you see, the status for this order has changed to ready to ship. The shipping method is standard prepaid and the shipping carrier is Naunihal V027. So now that the pick list is created and the shipment status is ready to ship, let's go to the fulfillment page and click on manifest, because the next step is to create the manifest. Once you are here, click on create manifest. Now under the channel, you have to choose Ajio. Under the shipping provider, if you remember, we saw Naunihal V02627. Click on that. Under the shipping method, it was standard prepaid, so you have to click on standard prepaid and you click on create manifest. Now once you do that, this is the page wherein you have to add the shipment that needs to be added in the manifest. So you have to click here to add the shipment to the manifest. Now this was the order that we had processed now, but what you can also see here is there are previous other orders that can be added to this manifest. So you can select multiple orders to add to the shipment. So let's click on add to manifest. Once you've done this, you see the 100% addition, you click on done. When you click on done, the manifest is added here, and now you have to click on close manifest. Once you close manifest, it asks you if you want to close the manifest. You click on OK. So it asks for a confirmation if you want to close the manifest or not. So once the manifest is closed, you can click here to print the manifest. This is how the manifest will look. Alright. This you have to take 2 copies and give it to your shipping partner. Now you go back to your orders and you check so under the shipments tab, you can see that the status has changed to manifested, right? And you can click here on this icon to print the invoice. This is how your invoice will look. You have to take a print of this invoice and you have to put your seal and signature and you have to submit the hard copy with the shipment. And in case you have missed downloading these packing slips, you can select a box from here and you can click here to print pack slip. Again, you can choose the second box and you can click here to print the pack slip. In case you want to see the details of the invoices, you can click on invoices. You can see what all amounts are there and check if they are correct or not, and click here to again check the tax invoice. So this is all about processing order for Ajio, and you don't have to change any settings. This is a new flow wherein you don't have to enter your seal IDs anymore, and as you've seen, we have to take a print of the manifest, we have to take a print of the invoice, and we've learned how to go about it. Here are some points to remember. Do not change any settings in Unicommerce Agio channel for the new order management flow. Each product should have a tag which contains MRP and EAN with barcode. Paste pack slip on each box mandatorily because 3PL partner will scan the barcode on packing slip for pickup. If pack slip is not pasted on the box, then 3PL partner will not pick up the shipment. Close manifest in manifest creation step compulsorily. Print 2 copies of the manifest, sign and seal on both the copies. Take contact details of the picker or shipping partner with signature on both manifest copies. Keep one manifest copy with you and give the other copy to the shipping partner. Keep a hard copy of invoice with seal and signature inside the box. This step is mandatory. Shipment sent without invoice will lead to shipment cancellation. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.